Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can install live BlackArch in your USB stick. So let's get started the video. You will be needed two things required. First is Rupus for booting ISO image and the second one is ISO image. So download it. I will open my browser and first I downloaded BlackArch ISO image. So type here BlackArch. You can see that BlackArch download, enter. You can see that the first link, click on this. You can see that the BlackArch official website is open here. Very nice interface. So scroll down, you can check this. So here is ISO image, BlackArch 64-bit full ISO, BlackArch Linux 64-bit slim ISO. So I will download this one. So click on this. Here you can see the download has been started. I will cancel this. In my case I have already downloaded. So the second one is very important for booting. So his name is Rupus. Enter. So click on the first link. You can see that the Rupus interface is open here. So scroll down and click on this. It will start the download. You can see that. I will cancel this because I have already downloaded. So after this you have to go your download folder. You can see that the Rupus and BlackArch. So open the Rupus. Now connect your pen drive in which you can install the BlackArch live ISO image. The minimum pen drive is 8 GB. So in my case I connected 64 GB. So now select the ISO image. Go to the download folder. Here you can see that the BlackArch ISO image. Click on this and open here. So after this you have to only click on start. It will start it. Booting ISO image. Yes. Okay. You can see that the booting is started. It may take a long time depending upon your USB speed. So wait for it. Now the Rupus process is completed. So close this. So I will show you how to open the BlackArch in your PC. So restart your PC or shut down your PC. Now I restarted my PC. Press the boot menu key. In my case it is F12. Here you can see the boot menu is open here. Scroll down and enter. So you can see that enter here. So you can see that the BlackArch is starting here. You can see that the BlackArch is open here. It is a very nice interface. So type password here. It is by default BlackArch. Enter. You can see that the BlackArch is open here. You check this. You check his application. BlackArch all tools. You can check these tools. It is very nice interface. So that's all in this video. If you like the video, so like the video, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video.